Let's talk for a moment about the quiet conversations you have with yourself every single day. The ones no one hears, but the ones that shape everything. Because something I've noticed is this: most people are not defeated by life, they are defeated by what they keep telling themselves about life. And that's where affirmations come in. This is just the beginning. Stay with me to the end. Hit the comments, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. We have got some powerful information coming your way about affirmations that you wouldn't want to miss. Thanks for tuning in. Welcome to Marilyn Mars Odyssey, a channel dedicated to life wisdom, spiritual growth, and meaningful conversations about purpose, personal transformation, and understanding life experiences. Come, join this journey with me. Affirmations are not just positive words. They are not just something you say to feel better. Affirmations are intentional declarations that have the power to reshape your thinking, your emotions, and ultimately your life. Affirmations are statements you speak over yourself that align with who you are becoming. Not always how you feel, but who you are choosing to become. Because if you only speak based on how you feel, you will stay stuck in the same place. Something I've noticed is that many people are always using affirmations, but in the wrong direction. They say things like, I'm tired, nothing ever works out for me, I can't do this, I'm not good enough. And without realizing it, they are reinforcing that reality. Your words are not just expressions, they are instructions. Your mind listens to what you repeatedly say, and your life begins to follow what your mind believes. So if you keep saying, I'm stuck, your mind looks for evidence to keep you stuck. And if you begin to say, I am growing, I am becoming stronger, I will get through this, now you are giving your mind a new direction. The word says, life and death are in the power of the tongue. Proverbs 18:21. Not just physical life, but emotional life, mental life, spiritual life. Your words carry power. Think about someone going through a difficult season. They wake up feeling overwhelmed. Everything around them looks uncertain. And they say, this is too much. I can't handle this. Now their energy drops, their motivation drops, their hope drops. But imagine if that same person said, this is hard, but I will get through it. I may not see the way yet, but I trust the process. I am stronger than this moment. Same situation, but different outcome. Affirmations work in layers. They retrain your thinking. You begin to replace negative patterns. They shift your emotions. You begin to feel differently over time. They influence your actions, and you begin to move with more confidence. They change your results because your mindset has changed. Affirmations don't work because you say them once. They work because you say them consistently, especially when you don't feel like it. Here is a practical example on how to use affirmations. Start simple. Every day speak life over yourself. Like, I am growing, I am capable, I am becoming who I was created to be. My situation is not my final destination. Say it in the morning. Say it when you feel doubt. Say it when things are hard. So let me ask you, what have you been saying about your life? Are your words building you or breaking you? Because something I've learned is this: you don't always control what happens to you, but you can control what you say about it. And what you say has the power to change everything. Hallelujah. If you are choosing to change your words today, comment, I speak life, and share this video with someone who needs this message. If you enjoy thoughtful conversations about life, wisdom, and personal growth, make sure to subscribe, join the community, and explore the videos on this channel. And as you watch, I invite you to reflect on one simple question: what is life trying to teach you right now? This is Marilyn Mars Odyssey, where every conversation is part of the journey. More love, more light.